Okay, so here's how to fix your broken belt. First, you want to remove these two screws. Then you want to remove this one. Now it's time to remove the two screws on the other side. Then you can remove this cover. Now you want to slide your belt through the second hole. Then you want to loop it underneath and grab it from the other side. Now slide it on the peg that holds the belt in and pull the tension out a little. Now you want to unscrew this from the other side of the tensioner. Loop your belt through and do the same thing you did to the other side. Put your cover back on and put your belt tensioner screw in and tension it. Before reassembling, check your print head to make sure it's all good. Now, time to put the screws back in. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a like and subscribe if you want more content like this.